In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Slack for seamless communication and task management. If you're juggling conversations and tasks across different tools, this simple connection brings everything together so your team can move faster with less back and forth. We'll add the Asana app to Slack, create Asana tasks directly from Slack conversations, link Slack channels to Asana projects for automated updates, and make sure you receive helpful notifications in Slack when tasks are created or completed. Start in Slack and add the Asana app from the Slack app directory. Once you add it, Slack will guide you to connect your Asana account. You'll confirm your workspace and allow the app permission to post updates on your behalf. This quick setup is what enables the two tools to talk to each other in real time and keeps your projects and conversations aligned. With the app connected, you can create Asana tasks right from Slack messages. When a conversation includes a clear action item, open the message options and create a task. Give it a concise title, choose the right project, and add details like assignee and due date so the work is truly actionable. It helps to include a short description or paste any relevant links from the thread. This turns scattered ideas into structured tasks without leaving Slack. Next, link a Slack channel to an Asana project to automate updates. Pick a channel your team already uses, then connect it to the corresponding project so updates flow into the conversation where your team works. Once linked, the channel will display key moments from that project, like new tasks or completed work, keeping everyone informed without manual check-ins. This is especially useful for cross-functional channels where visibility matters. After the link is in place, you'll receive notifications in Slack when tasks are created or completed in the connected project. These notifications give you a quick snapshot of what changed so you can react immediately, celebrate progress, or spot blockers. To keep the channel tidy, reply in threads when discussing updates and only @mention people who truly need to be involved. A short comment in Asana is often enough and you'll still see the context in Slack. That's it. By adding the Asana app to Slack, creating tasks from conversations, linking channels to projects, and relying on timely notifications, you'll streamline work, reduce duplicate effort, and help your team stay focused on what matters most.